Hey, let's get it. Let's get it. Gotta get it in a hot way. On my schedule, my legendary schedule, it is enjoying my temple and fueling my body. Come on now, somebody. I was ignoring my temple. And I was fueling my body whenever I could remember. Time management isn't just about checking boxes. It's about creating space to prioritize you. Fueling my temple is just as essential as every other step in letting my dreams take hold. Whoops, I got a taco without you, baby. It's already going down. You need me at the skillet. It's going down. When I care for my body, I'm nurturing my vision too. I want to realize the dream and be in great condition when I get there. Yes, already smells amazing. Hello. You know I gotta put my favorite in here, a little smoked paprika, just to give it that little. Looks just like it, doesn't it? Amazing. Not me. But it's got flavor, boo. All right, I had to pull this deliciousness to the side so I can make the other items in the breakfast brunch, let's say, taco. Feeding myself is more than a task. It's a declaration. I am worth the time, and I'm worth the effort. You know, for some of us, it's easier to pour into our work, our goals, and everyone else. But we forget to deliberately pour into ourselves. All right, now it's time to combine this for the brunch taco mixture. Oh yeah, that's gonna be good. When I take care of my body, I show up more fully for my purpose. You know, for me, self-care can't be looked at like it's a luxury. It's a priority. Remember, your dreams thrive when you do. So take care of your whole self out there.